Hello and welcome back to Crochet with Jane. Today's tutorial is about how to crochet such beautiful heart. I've got these hearts made of cotton yarn, and they are small and they don't stretch, and these are of milk cotton yarn. They are bigger, and surely everything depends on your yarn and hook size. For such pretty heart, let's start with materials we need. For this tutorial I got cotton milk yarn and a 4.5mm hook. But actually you may use any yarn and a suitable hook for it. So if you're ready, take your hook and let's begin. First, let's start crochet with magic ring or magic circle. Some may call it adjustable ring. A detailed video tutorial of how to crochet magic ring on one finger is given in the description below. Yarn around your pointing finger and we insert a hook behind both. We cross the yarn and pull out the loop, and we chain one to secure our magic ring. 2, 3, and we crochet 11 double crochets into our brand new magic ring. Yarn over and pull through 2 of them and pull through the next 2, and continue like this, and let's meet when our magic circle with 11 double crochets is ready. Second round, chain 1 and we crochet 2 half double crochet into the same double crochet of the previous round. Yarn over and crochet first half double crochet. First and a second, and into the next loop of the previous round we double crochet. So here is our chain 3 and the next one is over here. Yarn over and pull through and pull through once more, like this. We'll crochet increases. For that we crochet all the way around 2 double crochets into the every next stitch. In total there should be 8 increases in sequence. So yarn over, pull through like this, and into the same loop we crochet again, yarn over, pull through and pull through. So this one is ready. One, 2, 1. You can also follow the pattern given in the description to this video, and you can follow both a pattern and a video tutorial. So we have crocheted all the way around 2 double crochets into every loop of the previous round, and in total there is 8 increases, and into the next one we crochet a single double crochet. Into the next loop we crochet 2 half double crochets, 1 and second. Slip stitch into double crochet of the first round, and slip stitch into first half double crochet of the second round. Chain 1, and here we should single crochet. In the next stitch we should crochet a half double crochet and double crochet, yarn over and crochet a half double crochet into next stitch. Yarn over and crochet half double crochet. Then crochet 2 increases in sequence into next 2 stitches of the previous round. We crochet 2 double crochets in each loop. One and 2. Yarn over and pull through 2. Then we crochet the next loop of the previous round, 2 half double crochet. Two. And now we 5 single crochets into every loop of the previous round in sequence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So actually it is upside down, and this way it looks like. And now we crochet half double crochet and double crochet both in the next loop of the previous round. Yarn over, half double crochet, and double crochet into the same loop. So now we crochet double crochet and half double crochet both in the next loop of the previous round. Double crochet and half double crochet. And now we again 5 single crochet into every loop of the previous round in sequence like we did before. 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we should crochet 2 half double crochet in the next loop of the previous round. Yarn over, one, yarn over, and pull through all of them, 2. Crochet 2 increases in sequence. We crochet 2 double crochets into the next 2 stitches of the previous round. So yarn over, yarn over, and pull through 1 and the second. 2. Into next stitch we crochet double crochet and half double crochet into the same stitch. Into next loop a single crochet, and there is 1 step left. Let's slip stitch. Ready. Pull up a long loop, and here is our awesome heart. We did a wonderful job, and I'm going to crochet heart granny square in the next video. It's a bit psychedelic type or heart, or the heart of 70s style, whatever. I love it. And subscribe please not to miss my new video. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon in my next video.